In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books with this full 2025 guide. We'll go through each step carefully so you can seamlessly integrate your inventory management into the Zoho Books platform. To start, open your browser and head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you can access all the features Zoho Books has to offer and where you'll be managing your items and inventory. Once you're in, look for the items section, which you'll find on the main navigation pane. Clicking this will take you to the items page, giving you an overview of all the products or services you have. On this page, there's an option to create a new item. You will see a button labeled New. Click on that to start adding a new item to your inventory list. You'll now be prompted to enter the details of this new item. Start by clicking on the name field and type in the name of your item. This could be descriptive or simple depending on how you manage your inventory. After naming your item, you can move on to the unit section. Clicking here lets you specify how the item will be measured, whether it's in kilograms, dozens, or any other unit relevant to your business. Simply enter the unit and select it. Next, you'll want to enter the selling price of the item, which is crucial for generating revenue reports and financial projections. Just click on the appropriate field and type in the selling price that matches your business strategy. Similarly, you'll enter the cost price. This represents the expense incurred to produce or purchase the item. This step is important for calculating your profit margins later on. Enter the cost in the provided field. The next section involves selecting the right account for this item within Zoho's accounting system. This helps in categorizing transactions for accurate bookkeeping. You can click on the account drop-down menu and choose the most appropriate account that fits the nature of the item. Don't forget to add a description for your item. This can be a short sentence or a detailed note describing what the item is, including any specifications that could be important for your team or customers. Click on the description field to enter this information. For any item, knowing your preferred vendor is helpful, especially when restocking. So, go ahead and specify the preferred vendor for this item. Then enable inventory tracking. Click the option saying Track Inventory for this item. This feature is essential for monitoring stock levels and automating reorders when stock is running low. Now configure the inventory specifics. Choose the inventory account from Zoho's list. Then select Inventory Asset to categorize the item correctly in your balance sheet. Decide on the inventory valuation method next. In this case, we'll use FIFO, which stands for first in, first out. A common method that assumes the oldest inventory items are sold first. Once you've completed all these entries, take a moment to double check that everything is accurate. You don't want any typos or missing information that could lead to confusion later on. Finally, save your new item by clicking the Save button. This will securely add the item to your inventory list with all the data you entered ready for tracking and financial analysis. By following these steps, you've successfully created an item and set it up for inventory tracking in Zoho Books. This will help streamline your business operations and keep your inventory management efficient and organized. Thanks for watching and happy managing.